Everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanchari and I do videos on makeup reviews and hauls. And today I have created this last moment holiday makeup look, which is very simple, very easy to create, yet very natural. There are some days that you don't want to go outside, you just want to sit at home, relax, and spend some quality time with your loved ones, have some good food with them, watch some good movies together, and exchange some good gifts. So, I have created this look keeping in mind about those girls like me who like to be in their comfort zone but yet want to look presentable. So, if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome again. So I have already moisturized my face very well. Now we are moving on to the primer and I am using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, taking a scoop out of it and concentrating on the T-zone of my face. For today's foundation, we are going to use Rimmel Match Perfection in the shade Hazelnut. If you have dry combination skin or very dry type of skin, then you can opt for this foundation. This has a very light to medium coverage and it gives a nice glowy finish, a very healthy look. Plus, it gives a coverage that you need for daily basis. Moving on to my another holy grail all-time favorite concealer, and that is Flower Beauty in the shade light medium. I always reach for this and you have seen me using in most of my videos, and I will be concentrating this on the highest points of my face and under my eyes. Whenever you are doing your base makeup, take extra time to blend the product into your skin. That way you will get a flawless finish. Next, to define our eyebrows, I'm going to use Faces Canada Ultime Pro Brow Pencil. I always reach for this. You have seen me using this in many of my videos. So I will be outlining my eyebrow hairs and filling in the sparse area with the same pencil. Then we are going to set the concealer in place with Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent, and I will be using this in very light layers because during winters you should try to avoid powder products as much as possible, especially for dry combination skin. Next, to bronze up the face, I'm going to use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep, and I will be bronzing the outer perimeters of my face to give some kind of definition to my flat face. So I will be bronzing the jawline, the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and also to the sides of my nose. It's time for the highlighter, and now we are going to use Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. The highlighter is completely shattered and that's why I could not show you guys on camera. So I will be highlighting the highest points of my face, and this is a very beautiful highlighter. It does not texturize your skin, gives a nice healthy kind of glow which you need when you're at home. Now let's move on to our simple eye makeup. For that we are going to use This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty, and from that I'm taking the shade Bed of Roses and Blow a Kiss together, and I will be contouring or defining my crease area. Then with a big fluffy blending brush, I am going to blend all the harsh edges to make it soft and diffuse. With that shade Nectar, I will place it all over my eyelid area, and if you get little messy, nothing to worry at all. With that shade Smoke, I will place it very close to my upper lash line area because I will be wearing some falsies today and I need a base for my lash band to hide. Then I will bring the same shade on 1/4 of my lower lash line, and then I will take the shade Blow a Kiss and Nectar and will smoke out that shade called Smoke. To highlight my inner tear duct area and my brow bone, I am going to take the shade known as highlight and will be doing the same. Then with the shade highlight, again taking it on my finger and placing it just right in the center of my eyelid to give a nice glossy finish. Curling my eyelashes to make it ready for the mascara. And for today's mascara, I am going to use my another favorite. You will find lots of favorite in this video. My Rimmel Day to Night mascara. From that, taking the lens side and coating my upper and bottom lashes. Lining the top and bottom waterline with Faces Canada Magnetized Eye Pencil in the shade black. Finishing off with a setting spray from e.l.f. This will give me a nice glowy and dewy finish, and it will also make my makeup last long until and unless I remove it. Finishing off with the lipstick, and I'm using my Faces Canada Matte Plus Primer Lip Crayon in the shade Magnetic, and I will be very lightly applying that shade to my lips.